Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video, I will explain to you how to install Autodesk Revit. So for those who are not in education line, you can install trial version. For those who are in education line, both lecturers and students, you can get free license for Autodesk Revit and a few other software. So go to your browser, search Revit Education version, and click this one. Okay, make sure the address is autodesk.com. Student and Education Software 1-year license Autodesk. Just click that one. So you have to create your account. Okay, let's try to click here. Scroll down. If you click Revit, it will still ask you to create an account. Or if you already have an account that is using your institutional email, you can log in. So create account. I already have my own account. So I will skip this part. So create your own account, okay? So after you create your account, you will see this. Okay, it will ask you to upload some documents. So for lecturers, I already uploaded a sample that is provided by Autodesk on how to write a letter and get a sign from your dean, and then upload back here. Okay, upload here. So this ID is as a proof that you actually attend or teach at the institution. So make sure you use your name and your institution is the same as what you registered in your account. So after you upload here, it will just take a few minutes. If you use for lectures, if you use the template, it's very fast. Okay, so you just use whatever template that's already provided by Autodesk. For students, you can just upload your student ID. Also, it will be approved in a few minutes. So after you've uploaded, you will get to see this one. Okay, you are confirmed. Congrats. And you will have the access for 12 months. So after 12 months, when it's almost 12 months, you have to get another letter for lecturers. Get another letter from your dean and upload again. Okay, now click install, click get product. Okay, you can see get product here. Click that one. And then choose 2020. I would suggest that you actually choose 1-year lower version, but now it's already October. When I record this video, it's already October. So you can download this year's version. So just click install if you have good internet connection. If not, choose download. Okay, and just follow the instruction. It will ask you on what library you want to install. I think you can just choose one, which is maybe USA metric. It will ask your disciplines. You can choose construction or architecture or anything that is related to you. It will take a while to install, and then you will see this one. So if you see here is 2021.1.2. So this is not the updated version. Okay, so that's how to install Autodesk Revit. I will share with you on how to update the software if you already install a lower version. For example, 2021, but without the updates.